Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry and I'm here today for a quick Starfield tutorial on how to access your spaceship's inventory so you can store stuff, because you've got an entire, well, spaceship that has all of this storage presumably on the sides. It'd be nice if you could store your excess stuff so if you do things like swap out your companion when you get back to port, you don't have to manage all of your stuff and swiggle it around. You can just sell directly from your ship's inventory to an NPC vendor. So there's two ways to do this. The easiest way is to hit tab and then to go into your inventory, and you'll notice at the bottom there is a control listed for accessing your cargo hold. You can then tap that to see what you currently have in storage for both resources, weapons, aid, or basically anything. This also is helpful in figuring out what you can craft for your crafting inventory, and it'll also tell you at the bottom how much storage capacity is left. I currently only have a combined total of 450 because I just started playing this game. Now the other way that you can access your ship's inventory is with this little panel that is available on like the side archway as you go towards your pilot's seat. From here you can just walk up and you can see like a running list of everything that's currently in here and take anything if it seems like you just need like a snack or something quick, or you can hit R to transfer from your inventory things into your ship's inventory in this menu. So we can go down to like my stuff, and now I can be like, I don't really need any of these analgesics, so I'll just click on that to deposit it inside of the ship, along with this artifact I could put in there, or these antimicrobials. So that's it. That's how you access your ship's inventory inside of Starfield. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.